Let's now demonstrate the running stitch. Next, we're demonstrating the fourth one. We need to take 4 strands of floss. The color is number 6. Start by bringing the needle through at one end of the floss. Then follow the pattern. Bring the needle down and then up again. This is a relatively simple stitch. This is stitched 1 stitch at a time. Then this is one method. Later, we'll teach you another stitching method that is continuous. For the running stitch, it's important to maintain floss tension. Do not pull it too tight. If it's too loose, it will puff up slightly. If it's too tight, it may wrinkle. So just maintain a balanced tension. This is the effect of stitching with 5 strands of floss. And we're using another method, a continuous stitching method. For the second stitch, bring the needle down and bring it up for the third stitch. This way, the stitches are connected. You can stitch about 2 to 3 stitches at a time. Since this area is close to the embroidery hoop, it's a bit tricky to operate. If we didn't have this, it would be easier to work with. This is the effect of continuous stitching.